sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. An addict for your love, it keeps me high. Keeps me high.
Upo na yung Alex namin, oh. Medyo upo, oh, diba? Ayaw niya kasi yung kanin. Alex! Cutie! Cutie, Alex! Alex! Hi! Happy 3 weeks! 3 weeks, baby!
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side.
Alex!
Have me
Lalaro
by
si
your
Alex sa
side when the
park.
sun sets.
Hi!
I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000
Lalaro
years
sila
from
ate.
now.
Dumapa na si Alex, oh. Galing siya dun, oh. Ay, umikot pa. Umikot pa siya. Ay, umikot pa. Dumapa na, umikot pa. Isang buwan pa lang. Galing siya dun.
We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Keeps me high. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights.
Ah, naghahanap ka na naman ng kausap mo. Ano, tumitingin-tingin ka kay mami, ah. Napatigil na naman ang dede, ah. Oo, asus, nakatingin sa camera yun. Uy, uy, uy. Ano? Ah, tingin-tingin ka na naman kay mami, ah. Gusto mo na naman ng kausap, ah. Opo. Usap tayo ulit. Ay, talaga naman. Sobrang cute talaga. Biyag talaga yan, ah. Ay, chuchu-chuchu. May happy baby, ha. Wala pang 2 months. Nakikipag-usap na. Ano yun, ha? Ang galing-galing naman yan talaga.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece.
Hindi tumatawa na. Tumatawa. Rewards ka pala. Tumatawa.
I see what I want to see.
Tumatawa. 3 months pa lang. Ang galing. Ala, tumatawa na. Galing. Umagik-gik na. Umagik-gik na yan.
Flying higher, I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who have been to like this. Of it happening to them. The ones who they found make a difference like that. Don't happen fast. There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover.
Hindi naman niya. Sulit ka sa personal bataan. Ako dito sa...
I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all the things.
Muna. Tawag ako. Why? He's doing like this to me. He's calling me. Dede. Dede. Daddy? Mommy? How about Mama? Mama? Alex? Mama? Mama? Playing with Ate. Nashish. Alex is playing with Ate.
Yeah, just, you know, and it would just
sagot eh. Uy, umiyak na pala. Gutom na ata ulit. Alex! Alex! Wow! Go, 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 go! Yay! Wow! Nag-roll na yung Alexander! Galing ah! Kuy, kuy!
Huwag lang kasi kailangan daw pinakausap eh. Okay naman, Mami, ha? Madaldal na to, ha?
Oo nga po eh. Nakakaupo na rin siya, Doc Lily. Opo. Ay, yung may upo with back support
Oy,
siya.
ano po? Ano rin ang 39 natin? 37.
Baka next month kakain na yan, Doc.
Ayan, oo, tama first.
Ito din po kasi 5 months eh.
Oo, kaya pa napupunta kita next month, check up, tsaka yung mga ano, no?
Ah, sige po.
60s. Okay, go.
Malaban.
Lumalaban eh.
Yum, yum.
Yummy. Oh, ito na. Matigas ba? Matigas kaya ayaw mo? Oo daw. Oh, oh,
Dede.
Nakasipsip naman na Mami. Oo, marunong magsipsip. Galit.
Feeling niya ma. I-video yan ni Mami, ha? I-video ni Mami yung baby ko. Usap kami. Gusto niya nag-uusap kami. Ba't may cellphone? Ba't may cellphone? Di mo Gusto. Tumatawa yan kanina eh. Tawa ng tawa yan. Gusto niyan usap. Gusto niya usap eh. Cute ng baby ko. Ano usap, ma? Ano usap natin? Ha? Ano usap?
Wait. It's okay. Mommy's coming up na. Mommy's coming up na. Mommy's gonna come up na. Oh, shush. Mommy's coming up na. Shush.
Bait ba si Aling Balit? Bait ba? Ha? Bait?
Patawan na.
Uy, sa gwapo naman! Uy, ayun sa gwapo! It's so gwapo naman! Uy, turn up, no?
Alex! Hello, Alex! Hi! Isa lang. Thank you po. Apat na buwan ka na.
No, Olaf. Don't go out.
Natin niya.
Dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be.
Okay.
Won't stop till I see
I spy with my little eye. Alice! Baby Alice! Okay. I spy with my little eye. Pumpkin again! What other song can see? No? What? Mole? I spy with my little eye. Dede! I spy with my little eye. Arema! I spy with my little eye. Alex again! I can see Alex! Ano na yung kamay niya sa bibig ko eh. Kasi yun yun eh. That's what ibit awala. Doble mo yun eh. Did you say eh? kamay ni Mama. Sweet yan eh. Sweet yan eh. Love na love niya si Mama. Oo, hawak dalawang kamay pa. Dalawang kamay pa yung baby. Shush. Ay! Love you. Do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? Antok na ikaw. Kain lang si Mama. Good boy. Sweet yan eh. Love na si Mama. I love you. Love you. We're waiting for Ate. Ate is playing inside. Wow. Wishish. Wishish. Pawak mo.
Ang bubusina. Isa na.
Onto. Shush.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. No. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you still want me. I hope you still need me. A million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights are fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the
Magkabuti ka na lola sa akin. Ano ka pambala ka?
Addict for your love, it keeps me high. Keeps me high.
Does it go here? No. Can you say 10?
Alex, Wow. Ate's feeding Alex. Not like...
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you still want me. I hope you still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights are fading. It's time we left the
Alex! Nakaupo na kami! Yay! Nakaupo na!
Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be
Sipa
with
ng
you
sipa eh. Habang
eternally.
nakahiga. Ang kulit-kulit. Ayan.
I'm an addict for
Gusto na
your
palang
love, it
umupo.
keeps me high,
Gusto niya na mag-enjoy
keeps
with
me
it.
high.
Alex! Oy! Daddy's home! Ayun, Daddy! Paa niya. Higher pa, higher. Ay, it's eating na. Ate is eating it. Higher. No, it's not. Higher, make it him. You reach it like that.
Years from now, the seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
Feed your baby brother. Oh, look, oh, what is touching your face? He said, thank you, ate.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me.
Sus, thank you, ate. Hoy, ate is taking care of you, no? You're so lucky to have your ate. Oh, sus, ate ho is looking at you. He loves you, ate. Sus.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down.
Never know.
Can you let me down? Please don't let me
You make me happy. There you go. Yummy feet.
Yummy feet. Go. Go. Go.
Close your eyes for a second.
Wow! Dito mo tawa. Yung dadagdagan ko guys tong ano kasi kulang pa. Tuloy-tuloy. Tapos malakihan na rin yung ano ko, subo na serving. Gusto nyo po guys. Ito na. Kalik sabi ko, tatry pa lang muna natin kasi nga stop na. No more na, no more. No more na, okay? Yeah. No more na. Alex! Usap tayo, Alex. Usap tayo, Alex. Usap. Usap tayo, usap. Ano gusto sabihin ng baby ko? Usus. Ano gusto sabihin ng baby ko?
Alex! Alex!
Daddy? Daddy! Ano Bim? Tuntua! Asus! Sumisigaw pa! Sumisigaw pa siya sa excite! Oh, is that Daddy? Is that Daddy? Asus! Asus! Daddy mo yan! Daddy mo yan? Daddy? Hey, Daddy! Daddy! Ay! Oo. Oo. Yung paan niya, oh, excited. Nakita niya agad eh, sabi ni Sammy, Daddy! Ano siya agad, sumigaw siya, kaya nagulat ako. Bigla siyang gumanon ganun. Daddy? 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 Asus! Mapabuhat na yung 5 buwan na yan. Ay, bayan si Daddy. Joker talaga si Daddy. Yay! Daddy! Daddy! Ay! Mapabuhat. Daddy! Daddy! Alex! Is that your daddy? No, sus. Hindi na lumingon kay mommy. Is that your daddy? Sus! Excited! Daddy mo yan? Galing yan. Oo. Na.
Tummy, 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 tummy.
Not so hard, ate. Don't push it harder. Sus! Ate loves you. Banana. Yum yum. Yummy. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Hello. Good morning, my baby boy. Love you. Nasush, Pogi. Hawak-hawak siya kay mami, oh. Mami, oh. Mama's boy. Si Alex. Ang cute mo yun. Ang cute ng baby namin, guys, oh. Buyag, diba? Pero buyag.
Bisipa.
Nakaupo na si Alex sa high chair ng Jollibee. Ang bigat niya na. Oo, ay, hirap akong buhatin. Ang lakas ah.
Alam mo na pa, parang hinapit ka rin na malaman. Lalagay ko na, magbibili na lang ako ng stickers na alaman.
Kaya pala. Jesus.
Nasagot.
Sagot din siya. No, baby, no.
Dapat nagmanok. At may sipon ba siya?
Wala, ubo. Tsaka may plema.
May upo siya?
Oo, na may plema.
Taga mo yung likod ng ano?
Oh, shush! Nantok na. Happy 6 months, Alex! Happy 6 months, Alex! Happy 6 months, happy 6 months, happy 6 months, Alex! Hey! Hello! Okay. siya. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Biyag, oh, laki-laki biyag, oh. Biyag, parang daddy, oh, biyag, oy. Biyag yung baby na yan. Biyag yung baby. Biyag yung baby na yan. Ate, ang galing.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone.